ReasonConf is brought to you by our gold sponsors Ahrefs and Chain Street.
I'd like to talk about my way of contributing to the ReasonML community. I'd like to take you like 6 months back. At that time, I was really passionate about ReasonML. I wanted to make it more popular. That's why I was speaking at the conferences, writing blog posts about that, and with my friends over there, we were also organizing ReasonML meetup in Prague. And 6 months ago, I was thinking, what should I do next? I mean, how can I contribute to the ReasonML community in a different way? So I was thinking maybe I should contribute to some awesome open source ReasonML project, or contribute to the source code itself, or maybe try to write some open source full stack ReasonML application. So I was thinking maybe about application, try really something front end, back end in Reason, OCaml and stuff. But at that time I went to the Free Code Camp meetup in Dublin. If you don't know Free Code Camp, it's a non-profit US-based organization which basically provides free resources for people who want to learn to code. So it's pretty awesome. When I was learning to code, Free Code Camp really helped me out. So at the meetup in Dublin, I met the creator of Free Code Camp, Quincy Larson, and I was talking with him, and he's just telling me, hey, could you do a video ReasonML course for us? And I never thought about it, making video course. I never done that. So I was, okay, maybe I can try that. Maybe it will be challenging, something new. So I decide I will try to contribute to the community by creating ReasonML video course. At that time, there was like, I think, only single video resource to learn ReasonML, and it was course by Nigraf from Egghead. That was pretty awesome. But my idea was to go deeper. I wanted to make the course like beginner-friendly. I want to make it functional programming beginner-friendly. Because if you are a real beginner in functional programming, getting into Reason might be a little complicated, because maybe you will know the syntax, but still you don't know the principles. Or if you are going from the JavaScript realm, I mean, maybe you use Lambda or something, but still Reason is much more functional than that, right? So my aim was to create a course that will be friendly for people new to ReasonML and new to functional programming as well. So I came back from that meetup, and I bought some gadgets, you know, mic, webcam, pop filter and stuff, and started to thinking about the course, like what it should cover. So I wrote down basically this. I wanted to cover like typical basic data types, then data structures such as tuples, records, arrays, then go to advanced data structures such as variant types, polymorphic variants, as Sean was talking about, and then of course higher order functions. And there I knew I just cannot describe like the basics. I need to like describe how maps work, how fault works, how a partial application, you know, labeled arguments, all the cool stuff that the Reason provides us with. I mean, composition as well. So it's the like longest chapter. And then I also covered imperative feature, you know, like you need mutations and stuff to really be productive in Reason, for example, when you are building some front-end stuff in Reason React. So I wrote down this like this list I want to cover, and then I said, okay, I mean, it shouldn't be like difficult to do like video course, right? You just record yourself, write some code, and I mean 1 month, I think it's possible to really do this, right? But eventually it took me 6 months to create this course. I mean, it was really challenging. I mean, the recording itself, it's kind of easy. The most challenging part is to think about script, think about what you are going to say on the camera, because I mean, you want to have a nice flow. That's what I tried. You want to really lead the listener like from one concept to the other, and be sure that when you are talking about some topic, the listener already understands like why is that, and understands the topics under the concept. So he understands the basics, so I want to like make some foundation. So after 6 months, I finally release it. I released it like 2 weeks ago, and it's like more than 5-hour ReasonML beginner-friendly course. If you are interested, you can get that and learnreasonml.com, and you can also get it at Free Code Camp YouTube channel. I mean, I would be really happy if you could take a look at it, tell me what you think about it, tell me your really any feedback, because the aim of the course was just to make it beginner friendly, because maybe you know it like from your experience. If you want to like make people passionate about Reason, you want to like need good materials, right? For example, people who are trying to get into Reason, trying to get to the functional programming. So I guess this course is a really great starting point, and I want to make it even in future. I'd like to make it even better. So I would be happy if you can check it out. I will just show you here. There's just some. It's just really basic. Get beside learnreasonml.com, and you can see you see those sections here, and each section has like 5 videos. So you have, as I mentioned, all the important stuff there. And it's also to make it like more popular, I also publish it under freecodecamp.com. You can see it has like almost 1 million subscribers. So it was for me a great platform to make ReasonML even more popular, because it will get to more people. So really, what I like to ask, if you can take a look at it and give me, for example, some feedback. What do you think about it? I think we as a ReasonML community need really like some beginner-friendly videos, tutorials, whatever, to make like our community even more broader, and that's what I tried in this course. Thank you very much.